Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to open up a website using Python. So let's get started. So right now I'm gonna create a Python file, main.py, and over here what we're just gonna do is we're gonna say import web browser. So now what you're gonna do is we're gonna say web browser dot open, and here we're gonna pass in the domain name of the website we want to open. So I want to open YouTube, so I'm gonna say www.youtube.com, and now I'm gonna run the code, and you're gonna see it's gonna open up youtube.com here in our web browser, and I'm using Chrome, so you're just gonna see it's gonna open up youtube.com. So we're gonna wait, and as you can see it opened up youtube.com. So that's it for this video guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends and family or anybody that find this video useful, and please comment if you have a feedback or a suggestion. And without further ado, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.